To begin with, Fyre Festival was originally promoted as a luxury music festival that was supposed to take place in Bahamas. The event was organized by Billy McFarlane and Jeru, and it was heavily marketed as an exclusive luxury experience, including premium food, luxury accommodation such as villas, and performance by a famous artist. However, when the event actually took place, it turned into a major failure because many of the promises made to customers were not fulfilled. In terms of background, Fire Festival was planned and scheduled in 2017 in the Bahamas. The event was promoted mainly through social media, especially Instagram influencers who show luxurious lifestyle to attract buyers. Many participants bought very expensive tickets because they believed the promotional content. However, when they arrived at the location, the actual situation was completely different. Accommodation was not ready, food was insufficient, transportation failed, and the event was poorly organized overall. In this case, several stakeholders were involved. Firstly, it is the event organizer who were responsible for planning and managing the festival. Secondly, is investor and sponsors who provided financial support for the event. Third is the customer or attendees who purchased tickets and participated in the festival. And then vendors and contractors who were supposed to provide services such as food, transport, and facilities were also involved. And lastly is social media influencers play a major role in promoting the event to the public. This case is closely related to several areas of law. The main law is law of contract because there was an agreement between the organizer and the customers where customer paid for specific services. However, those services were not delivered as promised, which can be considered a breach of contract. And there also as ethical issues because the promotion of the event was misleading and not fully truthful to the customers. In terms of legal issues, one of the main problems is the false representation. Customers were promised a luxury festival experience, but the actual event did not match the advertised expectation. There was also a failure to provide the agreed service that were included in the ticket purchase. This situation may also involve fraud or mispresentation because customers made payment based on false or misleading information. From an ethical perspective, there were several serious issues in this case. The organizers were not transparent in promoting the event. Influencers also did not verify the accuracy of the information before promoting it. And there was also exploitation of customer trust because people were misled by unrealistic expectation of luxury and exclusivity. This case had a significant impact on the event management industry. Financially, the organizers suffered major losses and faced multiple lawsuits from attendees. In terms of reputation, the organizer image was severely damaged internationally and public trust was lost. Customer experienced financial loss, wasted time, and a very negative event experience. To prevent issues like this in the future, several corrective measures can be implemented. Organizers should conduct a proper feasibility study before planning any event. Secondly, is all marketing and promotional content must be honest and not exaggerated. Thirdly, is contract management with vendors and stakeholders should be clear and strictly enforced. And finally, a proper risk assessment should be carried out to identify potential problems before the event takes place. These corrective methods are important because they help to reduce the risk of event failure, improves event safety and quality, they protect customers by making sure they receive exactly what they are promised. Thirdly is build customer trust. They help organizers avoid legal issues such as breach of contract or representation. And lastly is improve protect business reputation, where improve professionalism, strengthen trust, and protect the reputation and sustainability of the event management. In conclusion, Fire Festival 2017 is a clear example of failure in event management involving serious legal and ethical issues. It highlights the importance of contract, compliance, honest marketing, and proper risk management in this event industry. This case serves as an important lesson for future event planners. Through this assignment, I have improved my digital skill in several areas. Firstly, I learned how to search for reliable and credible information from online sources such as news articles and documentaries. Secondly, I developed my ability to analyze real cases and distinguish between legal issues and ethical issues in event management. I improved my skill in organizing information clearly and presenting it using Canvas slides in a structured and professional way. Overall, this assignment helped me become more confident in using digital tools for academic purposes and improve my ability to summarize and present information effectively.